Is up, guys? Today we're gonna be making a tire trough, and yeah, so I'll show you how it goes. Peace. So we cut this piece off this tire, and now this is what it looks like. So here's what this looked like before the concrete dries, and I'll see you back when the concrete dries. And when we bring it, there's gonna be a big tank that goes right here. So see you later. So here's our hole for where we're gonna be putting the piping in to this water tank right here. So here's some hog paneling, so the hog should only stick the snout in there and not like take a swim in here. And basically this is gonna connect all the way to this, and this is gonna be what's filled with water. This will catch water. Here's us gluing it. So you start with the primer, and then you do the orange, and once you attach this, there's no undoing it. So yeah, that's basically how you glued it, if you guys didn't know plumbing. Okay, so we're done, and this is what it looks like. And this is supposed to capture water, and it's supposed to go down these pipes and the hog wire so they won't bathe in here. And this piece goes up when there's water up to this level.